Introducing Safety Sneeze Guards from Duro Dyne. As our government has introduced measures to protect the public from COVID-19, many retailers are taking additional precautions to protect employees and customers by installing suspended protective shields in stores. These are installed at checkout locations and offer a transparent shield between the cashier and the customer. The Duro Dyne Dyna-Tite system is quick and easy to install in all retail environments and represents an ideal solution for this application. The Sneeze Guard Kit includes a Lexan protective shield with two pre-attached 15-foot eyelet cables, 2 Dyna-Tite fast locks, and 2 sets of T-bar sealing clips. Install the T-bar sealing clips by attaching them to the frame of the drop ceiling and sliding them together. The T-bar clips should be installed at a distance equal to the width of the sneeze guard being used. Next, take your Dyna-Tite fast lock and the end of the 15-foot cable and pass the cable through the pass-through hole on the cable lock. The pass-through hole is the hole on the lock without the sled or pawl. Continue to pass the cable through the T-bar clips and back down to the other side of the cable lock. When passing the cable through the cable lock, please make sure to disengage the pawl. Repeat on the other side. In order to level the sneeze guard, disengage the pawl while pulling the cable to the desired height. Once the sneeze guard is at the desired height and level, hold both sides of the cable together, disengage the pawl on the cable lock, and move the cable lock up towards to the T-bar clips. Cut the excess cable, leaving a 6-inch tail. Your sneeze guard is now in place to keep both the employee and customer safe. Safety Sneeze Guards from Duro Dyne.